Social media is an effective tool in making income, building wealth. A lot of people still don't know how they can make money from social media. This video, I'm going to teach you how I have been able to make over 20 million naira from social media for the past 5 years. As a matter of fact, a few days ago, I just signed a contract that I got from Instagram alone worth 10 million naira. Good day, welcome to my channel. My name is Untitled Mary, and today we'll be talking about making money on social media. When we speak of social media, a lot of people just believe that social media is only Twitter, TikTok, but it encompasses Instagram, Facebook, Telegram, WhatsApp, and so many more handles that you don't have, even LinkedIn as a matter of fact. Making money on social media has a lot to do with what you can give, what you are capable of doing, and what criteria or what talent you have that interests people. There are millions of people using social media today. And for example, speaking of Facebook, there are, according to the statistics carried out from the year 2017 to the year 2026, it has been estimated that there are over 37 million people from Nigeria using Facebook. And as a matter of fact, according to the survey carried out, we have more people using WhatsApp than Facebook. It means that in Nigeria alone, there are over 40 million people using WhatsApp. Don't forget, we have over 200 million population in Nigeria as at today. So what does that tell you? We have more youths who are engaged on social media than anywhere else. So if you have a product that sells, if you sell anything, the best place to sell a product right now is social media. And I usually tell people, making money on social media has a lot of what you can give. You can make money on Facebook, you can make money on Instagram, you can make money on LinkedIn, you can make money on Twitter, you can make money on WhatsApp, you can make money on Telegram. Now, how do you start by making this money? How do you use these social media handles by making this money? But first, let's talk about what you have to give. Let's talk about the talent that you have. Let's talk about what you are passionate about. For example, you must have watched numerous videos of comedians. You must have watched numerous videos of skit makers, funny individuals, making efforts to make people laugh. People, as a matter of fact, we have uprising comedians now, even skit makers that are not even comedians, just adding a little touch of laughter to their videos and the trending. And before you know it, they start buying Lamborghini. Before you know it, they start buying bike. They start taking vacation to Dubai. You can also actually start making skits. If you think you are funny, if you think you are capable of making you laugh. I remember back then when I was in school, people used to say, "Oh, I am funny." I don't think I'm funny anyway. Although on my group, people do say, "Oh, you are funny because of the way you write. You are funny. You always add comics to your writing. Go into comedy industry." But no, I don't think comedy will favor me anyway. But the thing is that if you think you are funny, you can actually start making skits. Make skits. Bring your friends together, get a camera phone like an iPhone or a Samsung, or even your current phone can even do it. Make a video, create a page on Facebook, create a page on Instagram, and upload it. How do you make video? People watch more of your videos, you get more endorsement, you get more like. You must have seen some upcoming skit makers, like one of my friends, OGB, that just came into the limelight, and you see him today, he's a big boy. You see a lot of people making advert for 1xBet. You see a lot of people making advert for various social media handles and various brands and all of that. And do not forget, apart from making skits, you can also, if you are into health, you can actually make a video on YouTube talking about men's sexual health, female sexual health, male reproductive system, female reproductive system, hypertension, diabetes, stroke. You can talk a lot of things, reproduction and infection, traveling. Or if you are an estate agent or you read banking and finance, you can talk about economics, you can talk about money, generating money, saving your money. There are a lot of things you can talk about. Even if you are an electrician or you are a plumber, you can talk about the safety measures in the home. So you see, you always have something to give. All you have to do is to convert it into a video. And I usually tell people, I said, more people actually are interested in watching video these days than actually reading from blog. I used to have a website whereby I write various articles where I put my knowledge. If you go to my website at exclusivehealthinfo.com, the link is on the screen, you will see that I have so many publications and so many things I have written over the years. But these things I wrote, I published, were not actually giving me the money that I need until I started making videos, started being commented on my Instagram page, started being commented on my YouTube page, and so many of my handles. I've been on WhatsApp for the past 6 years, consistently every day. I keep posting. Never a day have I gone offline without posting on my WhatsApp group. As a matter of fact, I have up to 26 WhatsApp group. I can't remember now, but I know there are a lot of it. So these are pages that I make money from. I'm not on TikTok, Instagram, YouTube. So you can actually start making money from these pages. All you have to do is you need to learn how to make videos, number one, because I see that more people will actually prefer to watch video than actually reading from website or paper or from textbook. I don't like reading from textbook anyway. I like watching video. When I'm watching the video, I'm seeing what you're saying and I'm listening to what you're saying. You see, especially when you are making videos and you are adding comic attitude to it, making it people laugh and all of that. So people actually appreciate that. So, and one other thing you can actually do again is, teaching, online teaching, making, like I said, is still in a form of video. So you have, first of all, you have to learn. So you have to learn the art of Instagram. You have to learn so many of these art. But if you want to begin, on the description section of this video, there are links that you can actually get started on how you can make YouTube videos. It's a course. You actually make a YouTube videos. You can actually how to make a YouTube videos, how you can make money from YouTube as well. You can actually make money from Instagram. You can actually make money from Facebook, WhatsApp. All the links are on the description buttons of this video. And also, don't forget to like if you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to share. Invite your friends to watch these videos. And if you are a returning subscriber, thank you very much for joining. And don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to like. Ask your questions on the comment section of this video. You are very much free. Thank you for watching my videos very well. So that's it. And then you have to be consistent. One thing, I've been on social media space for let's say 7 years minimum now, and every day I make sure I post on my WhatsApp group. Like I said, most of the time I'm more consistent on WhatsApp than Facebook, and I am more consistent on Twitter than I'm not even on TikTok anyway. So like I said, you can make money from these social media platforms, but you have to know what you're doing. Like, you have to have something doing. You have to have content. Either you are selling, maybe you are selling a house, like an estate. You are selling, you have a product that you are selling, then you can actually market it on these social media platforms. Or if you are not selling anything, because it's not compulsory that you will be selling anything, but you have to continue to put something there. Like what I do, I deal more on information management. What I mean by information management is that I source for information, accurate information, and I bring it to people. Sometimes I monetize this information because I have to buy them anyway. Because sometimes I go to Amazon and I learn. For example, I learned mini importation. I think 3 years ago, I made a lot of money from mini importation. I learned affiliate marketing. I made over 2 million naira from affiliate marketing, or over 1 million naira from affiliate marketing. I learned LinkedIn. I made so many money from LinkedIn. I learned forex trading. I lost money. I made a lot of money from forex trading. And I learned cryptocurrency. I think I bought the course for 45,000 naira. Then I made about 800,000 naira from cryptocurrency. Then I bought a course on estate management and affiliate marketing, and I made over 5 million naira from affiliate marketing. So, and also currently on immigration, teaching people how they can travel out of Nigeria, especially nurses. My focus is on nurses now. So how they can move out of Nigeria to different countries. We're talking about Jamaica, UK, Canada, USA, Ireland, Dubai, and then we're making money from it. So what I do most times is information management. I source for the information and I give it out for free for some people, and I also sell some of the information for free. And that is why I have a large audience on WhatsApp. So you too, you can actually start doing something. Maybe you are good in singing. You can actually create a platform like YouTube, like Instagram, like Facebook, and then you can actually start monetizing your talent. Or maybe you are good in poem writing, or you are good in skit writing. Maybe you think you're funny. Most of you want to be an actress, you want to be an actor. It's an avenue for you to actually start this platform. It doesn't matter the profession. For example, by profession, I am a nurse, but I can say that my social life has given me more money than being a nurse. Actually, being a nurse actually creates the platform for me. But being a nurse is not giving me the money I am making today. But the truth is that apart from when I relocated out of Nigeria, most of the money I was making was from the money I get from online gigs, advertisement, endorsement, and all of that. So, but I wasn't actually making money from the profession, but the profession actually give me the foundation. Don't get it right. So don't get it wrong. The profession give me the foundation, the knowledge, the smartness, the wisdom. Yes, that's what being a nurse will make you be. You know, it makes you smart, makes you knowledgeable, it gives you wisdom and all of that. So you can actually start teaching people. I mean, we have people who are in the university struggling with one course or the other. You can organize online training. We have people who are struggling with their exams. We can organize a tutorials for them, teaching them, explaining to them what they are solving their problem, asking them what their challenges are, and then you meeting their needs. You can actually start doing all of these. You can create a platform where you put students together. Maybe student you can teach, let's say, like for example, nursing students in 100 level or 200 level or 300 level or 400 level in separate group, and begin to teach them what their problem, that difficult aspect of their education you explain to, because you have been in profession for the past 5 years, 6 years. You can actually start explaining all these things to them. Or even when they are about to write their exams, you can start giving them lectures on what to expect based on your experience. Most of the time, we even have professionals who have graduated out of schools and they want to, they don't know what to do, the next thing to do. We have people like that rely on you to actually advise them so they can make an effective decision. You can actually be that person they can beg upon. I mean, I used to be doing that over the years, but man, we have advanced to greater things, so you can actually bridge the gap. So there are so many things you can do online that can actually make you money. And when you continue to do all these things online consistently, you will be attracted to a lot of people, to a lot of audience who will bring gigs to you for endorsement, for advertisement, people that will reach out to you to say, oh, help me advertise my product. Oh, let me partner with you. I love what you're doing. Help me advertise my product. A lot of people have reached out to me to say, oh, I love what you're doing. Can you help us advertise our product? We have a condom we want to sell. We have an estate. We are an estate agent. We want you to help us advertise our houses. When you sell it, we'll give you a certain percentage. Some of them will even make you brand ambassador like I am. Some of them we can even, you can even tell you, okay, help us advertise our betting agency, our cryptocurrency agency, our gift card, our soap, our cream, name it, our gym center. They can even reach out to you when you continue to do this. Most celebrities that you see, I will say this, most of their money comes from endorsement, not actually from the skits that they are doing. Most of their money comes from endorsement. So if you are doing all these things, you can actually attract people. So what are you waiting for? Go to the description button, the description section, and you will see a link on how you can get started, how you can start making YouTube videos, how you can start making money on YouTube, how you can start making money on Instagram, how you can start making money on Facebook, how you can start making money on WhatsApp. All right. So like I said, my name is Osage Mere. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Don't forget to like. Don't forget to share if this video was helpful to you. See you in my next video.